What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jay the CEO, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get started with investing, right? How to get started with investing. This video is not going to be really into depth, but it's going to give you the necessities and essentials you need to learn how to invest, no matter if it's the foreign exchange market, stock market, cryptocurrency market. Whatever you're investing in, you pretty much going to be able to apply these principles and go crazy. So before this video starts, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. So the first thing you need to understand when you're learning how to invest and get into investing, you have to understand what you're investing. So if you're in crypto, you need to understand, what type of coin you're investing and how to pretty much, read or understand the fluctuation of that. Same with stocks, same with, Forex. Like, you need to be able to understand and pretty much gain a concept of what you're studying at. So here's some ways you can do that. So one, you need to learn how to do some type of analysis. Two types of analysis I like to do are called technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down this. Technical analysis is basically when you use charts or any type of graphical based information to determine, data. So basically, let's say I'm interested in trading, let's say something that's relevant, Bitcoin. If I want to do technical analysis on Bitcoin, I will learn, how to read a chart, and be able to look at, the different points of Bitcoin on the chart. Now, if y'all want a video on how to read, charts or do technical analysis, drop technical analysis in the comments and I got y'all. But if once you learn technical analysis, you'll be able to go on the different charts or graphs or whatever you're investing and be able to determine when is a good or bad point to get in based on that. So the first thing is technical analysis. Second thing is fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis is basically news or any type of media surrounding something. So for example, Dogecoin is a coin, that Mr. Elon Musk created. And I know even though you can do technical analysis with with Dogecoin correction, even though you can, even though that you can do technical analysis with Dogecoin, a lot of its movement, a lot of people that really win big off stuff like that, they were able to understand, what it was doing based off fundamental analysis. So meaning either Elon posted something on Twitter, something happened in the news, a show, whatever, anything that's pretty much have relevancy, it was some news or some buzz around it. And because people, heard that, hey, let's say Elon could say, okay, bet, I'm anticipating for Dogecoin to shoot up. That could mean, hey, let me start buying some Dogecoin. Or people can be anticipating for it to buy up. Or people hey, there's something in the economy that's going to affect Dogecoin, which means it might basically cause people to sell Dogecoin. So, long story short, fundamental analysis is the news surrounding a coin, a stock, or whatever. So understanding fundamental analysis and technical analysis is going to allow you to invest. So that's the first thing, analysis, being able to analyze things, either using fundamental or technical analysis. You really want to just be able to have a set amount of budget money to invest. A lot of people, including myself, in the beginning, my problem was I didn't have a set amount of money I had to invest. And it doesn't matter how much, but at the same time, if you can't manage 1,000, you can't manage 1,000, you're not going to be able to manage 1,000,000 or however many amounts. So figure out a reasonable amount. You can start with basically as little to $100, $20, $50. And I like to do something called dollar cost averaging, meaning even no matter how much money I make or lose, I invest that same amount every week into whatever coin, account, stock, so that way I can pretty much see consistent growth no matter if the money goes up or not. That's another thing, just having a budget and dollar cost averaging is your best friend. The third thing I do also is I just have a plan. The key to just succeeding in life in general is just planning, and not just planning one time, but consistently planning. And investing, you're gonna have things economy dropping, different news, different events. So you want to make sure that you're able to plan when these things happen, because the best planners makes the most paper, right? The best planners make the most paper, where they make the best paper, right? So keep that in mind. So that basically ends my short video on how you can get started in investing. You want a part 2, you guys want me to elaborate on other stuff, drop that in the comments below and I'll make sure to get that for you guys. But that ends today's video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.